Today we're going to be showing you one of the best solutions I have seen for carrying a bike in your van. I'm Lee, this is Coombe Valley Campers, and today we're going to be showing you the 40 WINKS bike station. So if you own a bike or you're into any form of cycling, you will want to find a secure and safe way to mount your bicycle either in or on your van. Now what we're going to be showing you today is the product from 40 WINKS. It's called the bike station, and well, just look at it, it's beautiful. It's an excellent, lightweight and very well made bike rack that comes in basically two different fittings. We've got the through axle design, or the quick release design, and the through axle comes in a multitude of fittings to suit most if not all applications. So when it does come to order this product, then you can specify which fittings you want on your rack. They're made in the UK, they're, like I said, made out of aluminium, and they're coated in this textured black powder coat which really sets it off. And the main reason for going with this sort of design and to go with the aluminium is to look almost like the structure of a bicycle, and I think they pull it off beautifully. This one in particular is designed for the T5, although there are applications for other vans, and we're going to show you today how to actually fit it in the back of a T5. It uses the existing mounts, the existing anchor points should I say, sorry, and once you've removed those anchor points you will use the supplied thumb screws to just wind them back down again. The tool, just the one, the tool you are going to need today is an M10 multi-spline bit, and that is to remove the existing anchor points in the floor. Very simply then, all we need to do is remove the bolts from your existing anchor points. We're going to use the M10 multi-spline bit. And we're going to, that is the thumb screw that replaces it. So we're going to put that to one side, move the thumb screw from the other side, which I've already put in. Line up the rack and wind your thumb screws back in, and it really is that simple. Like I say, awesome piece of kit, nice and lightweight and very, very versatile. So what we're going to do now, we're going to bring the bike in, mount it to the through axle mount, and show you how that goes. The bike we're going to be putting onto the 40 WINKS bike station is a brand new offering from Giant. It's an e-bike and it's a biggie, it's a 29er. So the first thing we've got to do is just fold the seat down a little bit, just for that extra bit of room to put the bike in nicely into the mount. That certainly went better than rehearsed. That was nice and slick. But again, it just shows you how easy that is to mount in there. Again, a slightly larger bike, so we've tucked the tyre right in the corner, but even if you did need a bit of extra room, if you loosen off those thumb screws you can actually slide it forward. Again, that's how easy that is. I can't wait to have a spin on this. Beautiful bike. But it was just to show you how easy this is to work. We've got the other quick release mount on there as well, so a regular bike can fit in without actually needing to tip the seats forward. So let's have a look at that. The other bike we're going to be throwing in today is our very own cameraman's bike. This is his BMX, his own personal bike. It's just going to be a case of more of a conventional way of fitting, isn't it? Under the nose, lifting the wheel out. dropping it down onto those mounts. So there you have it, another awesome product from 40 Winks, their bike station. And you can just see how versatile it is. It's very easy to fit, it looks great doing it, and it's very versatile in terms of what bikes it can hold. You've got the quick release and you've got the through axle on the other side. One with a brand new, up-to-date e-bike, and the other one is a stunt bike, BMX, owned by our very own cameraman Ali. So Ali, thank you very much for letting us use it. These are available on our website, and again, we're very, very excited to work with 40 Winks. They've got some awesome products. www.coomvalleycampers.co.uk. Have a look at all the listings and you can get yours today. Thanks again. Bye bye.